Hi guys, it's New Year's Eve and I was hoping that till today I was gonna have a video that I was gonna show you at least some project in the garage or something, and I was gonna take the opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas and all season's greetings and Happy New Year and everything. But unfortunately, since I am still moving in, I'm still doing other things, I don't have anything to show you as a project in the garage, but I can just sit here and talk for a while so I can have the opportunity to wish you a Merry Christmas. So what should we talk about? Maybe I can tell you the story of my life. Yeah, okay. I know that's interesting for you. So I was born in Bulgaria in 1974, and then we moved into this beautiful house, and this is how I ended up in this beautiful garage, which now we can call the Rusty Beauties garage. And this is where we're gonna start the new, what should we call it, new season or new era in the Rusty Beauties. We're gonna have a lot of interesting stuff happening here, a lot of interesting projects, I'm sure. So yeah, that's how everything starts. So that was the story of my life. I think it took a little bit longer than expected. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. I want to say at the end of this year, I want to say thank you so much to everybody who's been with me for such a long time. I believe I started posting videos about 4 or 5 years ago, and I know that for sure there are people who follow me from the very beginning. Thank you, guys. Thank you to all people who came on board later or even just recently. Thank you so much, guys, for giving me this opportunity to show you my projects, which I always say the restorations and my videos are not how-to videos, they are how I do it videos. And my videos, of course, are not necessarily the only right way to do things, or sometimes not even the right way to do things. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching, thanks for commenting, thanks for being with me through 2020, and hopefully you're gonna stay with me for 2021, and in future we're gonna do a lot more stuff together. So Merry Christmas and season's greetings, everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy, and have a very successful and wonderful and healthy 2021. Thank you to everyone. Big thank you, guys. Bye.